Hi, this is Consuelo Dobbs for Your Own Econ, and today we're encouraging you to pick a funnel, any funnel, from the PowerLead system in order to market any offer you want to market within the affiliate marketing, network marketing, home-based business, online marketing space. So, if you get any value out of this video, please hit subscribe so you can stay updated on any future videos, future opportunities. We deal with side gigs, home-based business opportunities, you name it, any tips and tricks on how to better your online marketing for better results. So within the PowerLead system that has been going on for 10 years strong, it has many funnels within the system that will help you market any offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log in. And we're going to show you exactly how to, pick a funnel. One of the best ways to pick a funnel, once you sign up especially, and you want to just go ahead and pick a funnel and go ahead and start driving traffic to it. And all of that is going to be explained to you in the Fast Start training. But I want to touch on it today to show people how easy it is to pick a funnel. And here we have a welcome video from the PowerLead system on the PowerLead system dashboard. They're always creating things to make things easier for its members. Here they are explaining the back office and how to navigate the back office. And of course, we have a new 90-day challenge. I'm going to do a video on that pretty soon. So be on the lookout for that content challenge that's going to show you how to set goals for the next 90 days and jumpstart your business by putting out content. Content is king, and that's what drives traffic. That's what gets you the organic traffic that you don't have to pay for. But, you may want to pay for some traffic in order to jumpstart your business. It's all up to you. But one thing you want to do as far as picking a funnel is go to your marketing. When you come into the back office and you see this sidebar, you want to click on marketing, of course. Now, the tab to click is Done For You Funnel, because they're all done for you. And you can get started in 3 simple steps. Here are the main funnels of the PowerLead system that everyone will have access to right off the bat. And that is your lead lightning funnel, which is the funnel for the $7 entry one time. And once they sign up for that, they get that system for life. They will get that system for life. And if they choose to upgrade, they can upgrade to the gold membership, which will get them higher commissions, gold commissions, or any of the other upgrades that are available within the system. So that's what the lead lightning does. Okay. And of course, they're going to show you the link to use. And I don't have a link set up for lead lightning yet. I'm going to be totally honest with you, because I promote the gold. To me, I promote for higher conversions. But we can go ahead and set up one now. And I'm going to make this subdomain, and it'll show you how to make subdomains for all of your websites. I suppose that's how you spell lightning. I hope so. Sorry. I know it's not lightning, but yeah, that's it. That's it. Because sometimes I make a mistake in spelling lightning is Lightning, ENING. Okay. So I'm creating that subdomain. So now this is my link. And of course, that's the lead capture page. It's that easy. I just did this here while I'm making this video. So yes, this is the classic official lead lightning lead capture page. And here's the headline: creates leads and daily cash. And you're going to make $6 for every person who signs up. It's a one-time $7. And what they'll do is they'll get a system where they can collect leads, drive traffic to their funnel, lead lightning funnel, collect $6 payments over and over again while building their list. So it's like a funded proposal. So that's one funnel. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go through these and go back to the done for you funnel page. And there's a video, it's going to do all the explaining how to do this for you. And of course, here's the free lead system. Now, I don't have the free lead system, but we're going to go ahead and make one for that. And see how easy this is to go ahead, and this is my main domain, winwithconnie.com. All I have to do is create a small extension or username to go before that to create a subdomain. So, and here is the lead capture page for the free lead system. And this is absolutely free. So one might ask, well, why would I pay $7 as opposed to getting it for free? Well, each funnel and each system has its level of benefits. What you get with lead lightning, you're not going to get with free lead system, and vice versa, But of course, your free lead system, you're building your list. Lead lightning, you're building your list, and you're also have a funded proposal, and you're making money also with that one. So back to the done for you funnel, and like I said, these are the main top funnel. Then you have your fire your boss funnel, and I'm going to show you what that's all about. Now I had one for this one, but my domain was renewed, and that sort of restarted everything. So I'm just recreating what I already have. I already had this subdomain, but I'm just remaking it. And this is your fire your boss funnel. This is the one that was created by Ace and Rich. They're a husband and wife team. They do our fast start trainings every Monday and Thursday. And this funnel was created basically telling the wife's story, how she worked at Staples, and she used Power Lead System to leave her job at Staples and making 6 figures per year online. And now she's teaching, helping with Power Lead System. She's one of the top trainers at Power Lead System, along with a lot of other Greg Davison, and we have plenty of other trainers. Our CEO, he does a lot of training. So this is the funnel that she created. Of course, this is the lead capture page to that. And I can go into the sales pages for these, but we're just going to focus on the lead capture pages. But I just want you to see real quick, what you have access here. So that's the free lead system lead capture page. This is the lead capture page for the fire your boss system. And then of course we can go back to, and see, they give you tips down here. Tips for posting on social media. If you have a blog, then post your link on your blog, then post your blog URL. Use your own domain, if not expired, which is unique and delivers better than our domain's funnel lead system and my lead coach and lead system grow. So they give you tips on how to market better. This company is awesome. They help you in any way they can. And then, of course, you have the Home Business Pro funnel. And I'm making these live. I'm sorry, guys. A lot of my stuff got restarted, but it's easy. It's nothing to it, as you can see. I just made another subdomain, and here's the Home Business Pro funnel. And it looks similar to the staples of Fire Your Boss, but it says how to build a 600 per day business from your kitchen table. This is the lead capture page. Very simple. Arouses curiosity and gets people, signing up and getting information and get them on your list so you can market to them over and over again. So those are the 4 main funnels that you can access right off the bat once you join. Now, if you join through the Cash Now funnel, that's going to give you a step-by-step through the training on how to do everything. Because, the Cash Now funnel, let's see, business links. This is the sales page for the Cash Now funnel. And it's going to take you through all the steps. Continue. So if you're on this funnel, you already a step ahead. You've done your share code. You get a share code for the Cash Now funnel because it's not it's not a funnel that's featured, as you can see on the dashboard here, but it's very well a certified funnel. You can make your own funnels and make a share code for them. And the Cash Now funnel is certified to definitely work. I've been using it for months, almost a year now, and I'm in profit mode right now. And you have all your steps. This is for the Cash Now funnel, and then once you enter, you activate for $1. You get your 14-day free trial, and then you upgrade. Once your trial is over. So you get a free trial to see if this is a fit for you, and you just go through all the steps. You activate your revenue screens, your traffic, all of that. It's going to show you how to activate everything. Okay. And take you through all the steps. How to get traffic. So this is the Cash Now funnel. So you have the lead lightning, free lead system, Fire Your Boss, Home Business Pro, and then you have your Cash Now funnel. So that's 5 funnels you can choose from. And now there's plenty more. We have others. We have the kitchen table funnel. I have a video on that, and you can also access that funnel by clicking on that link and signing up through that. And then you have the training that goes on that, and you can get that funnel through. So remember, Power Lead System is the company, the main company that has all the tools, and the funnels is what you're going to advertise these tools and your primary business for. I'm getting ready to launch a high ticket program, and I'm definitely using the Power Lead System and creating my funnel to market that. But these are 4 of the top, including the Cash Now funnel. Lead Lightning, this one it's still showing results, till this day. So see where I made my links? They're showing now. Because I generally promote the Cash Now funnel. And then, of course, this is the front page for the Cash Now funnel. I want the I put too many ends with it. This is my main site, and it'll show the Cash Now funnel. So there it is. That's my main domain. So, and once you enter in your email, you go right into the training. Here, you can activate your account, and then you'll continue, and then you'll go through your training, set up your system, and so on and so forth. So hopefully you got something out of this video, and show how the many tools that you have available. As soon as you sign up, all you have to do is drive traffic. We show you how to do that in the Fast Start training, how to formulate and organize your list so that you can get better results, better click-throughs. I mean, it's super, super simple. Okay? So thank you for watching, and until next time.